guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making oven-baked blackened tilapia. Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and you want to get your pan, line it with foil and spray it with spray. This is really simple. Alright. You want to salt them. Both sides. Pepper.
Put no pepper on that one.
Oh, sorry.
You sprinkle a little on this one.
Okay, smoked paprika. You can buy blackened seasoning, but why? Alright, the only thing different is I'm not adding cayenne pepper to it. Because that's not going to happen. I said this is smoked paprika. Some onion powder. I guess I could have made a rub. I didn't even think about that. And just done it all at once. But hey, this is fun. And some garlic powder. And last but not least, some parsley flakes. Forgot where I was.
I just have a question to ask about all of that.
What?
Couldn't you have done all of that on one? Did you have to flip them each time? Or could you
As I
done all
just
the-
said earlier, if you've been paying attention, sir.
You were saying rub, but
Well, that's
up.
what
Oh,
you
go
call
ahead.
it. Shut up.
You go ahead.
Alright. Actually, it says in the directions to combine them, but hey, I don't do that. I don't listen to that.
I was just avoiding flipping them all over the place. But hey, it was fun. Okay.
And it said spray some on top. I think it's kind of gross, but hey. Alright, now I'm putting these in the oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes until the fish is flaky. We'll be back. Alright guys, our oven baked blackened tilapia is ready. We're also having some roasted carrots, oven roasted carrots, and some fried yellow squash. So I'm going to go ahead and fix our plates. Let's start with these. Now with these squash patties, it said to eat them, they'll be good with, sour cream. But I think I'm just going to eat mine normally. Just regular. And if I think it needs something else, I'll get some sour cream out. Alright, look how good these look. They're done. And like I said, you can add cayenne pepper to them. But we don't do cayenne around here very much. I can't handle it. Alright guys, everything's ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite fish is. And leave me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it on your social media. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.